keeps falling on my window tonight, but somehow it feels colder inside my heart. The lights are dim, the room is quiet, your shadow still lives in my mind. Every picture on the table feels like frozen pieces of time. Your hoodie still hangs by the doorway, your perfume still lingers in air, and every little thing around me reminds me you're not here. I try to hide the pain away, but memories don't fade with the rain. There's rain inside my bedroom, falling from my broken eyes. Every drop keeps whispering the story of our last goodbye. And even when the storm outside is gone, the lonely clouds still live inside my heart. You left me drowning in this empty room, with rain inside my bedroom. Midnight songs are playing softly, but they only make it worse. Every lyric sounds like heartbreak, every silence slowly hurts. I still sleep beside your memory like you never went away, but the truth keeps crashing over me. You're never coming back again. I keep pretending I'm alright, while tears keep falling every night. There's rain inside my bedroom, falling from my broken eyes. Every drop keeps whispering the story of our last goodbye. And even when the storm outside is gone, the lonely clouds still live inside my heart. You left me drowning in this empty room, with rain inside my bedroom. Maybe someday I'll stop missing you. Maybe someday these skies turn blue. But tonight the thunder sounds your name, and my heart still aches the same. There's rain inside my bedroom, and I can't escape the pain. Every memory keeps pouring down like an endless hurricane. Even if tomorrow brings the sun, a part of me will still remain, lost inside this lonely room, with rain inside my bedroom. Rain inside my bedroom, and you're gone.